In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in a Lovable app. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project you want to update. Next, use the AI chat to request dark mode for your application. For example, ask Lovable to add a dark theme with a theme toggle, update the color palette, and ensure all pages and components support both light and dark modes. After that, let Lovable generate the required changes. Review the updated app and test the theme switch to make sure it changes smoothly between light and dark mode. Now, continue refining the design if needed. You can ask the AI to adjust colors, improve contrast, or customize the appearance of specific components to make the dark theme more consistent. Finally, save your changes, test the app one more time, and publish the updated version. Your users will now be able to enjoy your app in both light and dark mode. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable dark mode in a Lovable app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.